Hi ATM, this is Isabel Ortega and I will be playing this or that summer edition.
Beach or Baguio?
Beach. Ay, parang parang nasa mood ako ngayon ng malamig dahil sobrang init ng panahon lately. So, Baguio muna for this summer.
Baguio or swimming pool?
Ay, swimming pool.
Okay.
Ayun lang.
Swimming pool or staycation?
Pwedeng both. Parang ang saya ng staycation na may swimming pool.
Staycation or amusement park?
Staycation.
Staycation or camping?
Parang ang init ngayon mag-camping eh. Parang staycation muna ako.
Okay. Staycation or night market?
Oh, parang never pa ako nag-night market din. So, parang night market. Parang masaya.
Okay. Night market or road trip?
Road trip.
Okay. Road trip or mall hopping?
Road trip.
Speaking of road trip, sumasama ka kay Miguel kapag nagra-ride sila.
Actually, nakakatawa yan. Before, nung bumili si Miguel ng motor, nag-video call pa yung mom ko para masigurado na walang backseat yung motor ni Miguel. Kasi ayaw niyang sumasakay ako sa motor ni Miguel. Kasi ayaw ni mama na nagmamotor din ako or umaangkas ako. So si Miguel, nung nakuha niya yung motor niya, nag-video call pa kaming tatlo para lang mapakita ni Miguel na walang backseat yung motor niya. So, hindi ako pwede.
Road trip or mall hopping?
Road trip.
Road trip or concert?
Road trip.
Road trip or movie night?
Road trip.
Okay, road trip or matutulog lang buong weekend?
Ay, wait lang. Parang kahinaan ko yan. Parang ang sarap niyan. Matutulog buong weekend.
Okay. Matutulog buong weekend or food trip sa buffet?
Ay! Parang ang sarap matulog ng buong weekend pagkatapos mo mag-buffet. Pwedeng both.
Okay, food trip sa buffet or coffee with a view?
Coffee with a view.
Coffee with a view or picnic sa park?
Coffee with a view.
Okay. Sagada or Tagaytay?
Sagada.
Sagada or La Union?
Ay! I miss La Union. I miss my home. La Union muna.
La Union or cuddle weather?
Pwede bang La Union tapos cuddle weather?
Okay. Cuddle weather or Japan?
Japan.
Okay, last one, Japan or Switzerland?
Ang hirap naman nito.
Japan then Switzerland.
Oh my gosh! Bakit ganun ATM? Bakit ang hirap na mga tanong nyo? Oh, Japan. Thank you for watching ATM. And of course, don't forget to watch All Out Sundays every Sunday ng 12 noon. And of course, abangan nyo po ako sa Slate after Batang Riles.